Okay, DIYers, I'm getting ready to replace my radiator coolant fan sensor. Okay, we're getting ready to replace that. Okay, so the radiator fan sensor is right here. I believe it's a 24 millimeter socket. So let me take off the, let me unsnap it first. This is my first time ever doing it, so. Normally you get it from the bottom of the vehicle, but since my bay is completely open and I've removed the fan, I'm getting it from the top. So let me try to see. Okay, where's the snap? Okay, I'm trying to see where the snap is so I could snap it right out. Okay, let me go underneath it real quick so I can see. Okay, I'm gonna unsnap it from the bottom of my vehicle. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let me get my 24 millimeter socket. Okay, I'm going to take it off from the bottom of my vehicle because I don't believe I can get it. Let me see. I don't think I can get it from the top. Let me see. Might be able to. Let me see if I can. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna be able to, but let me see. No, I think I'm gonna have to go to the bottom, which is fine. Let's see. See, I don't have it all the way in, but let me try. Let me see. Oh, wrong way. Let's tighten. Okay, this should be loosening. Okay, I should have it. It's not all the way in, but let me turn it the other way. Let me see. Okay. Let's see if I can. Well, there we go. What am I doing? Okay. Let me see. See if I could get that. It's not giving me a lot of leverage. Okay, it's going to be difficult. Let me see. Okay, DIYers, as you can see, I have to go on the bottom and remove the radiator coolant sensor. So I initially tried to go with just, it's a 24 millimeter, okay? This is an extended deep socket 24 millimeter with a 3-inch extension. So I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go behind the frame because it's kind of tight down there. So I'm gonna go behind the frame with the extension of this 24-inch. I got this one in there, but it was real tight. I couldn't get any leverage. So now I'm gonna go behind the frame with 24 millimeter deep, extra long. This is extra long socket. As you can see, it's extra long with a 3-inch extension. All right, let's make this happen. Okay, here's my extra long. So let's do it. Okay, I'm coming behind my frame underneath. It's the only way I'm going to be able to get it. Otherwise, it ain't happening. Okay. Okay, let me see. Should be it. Boy, that's on there. Whoa. Should come right off. It's not coming off. Let's see. Okay, let me see. I'm not trying to break it. Not sure, maybe the last time they put this on, man, how they tightened it, but let's try to tighten. Okay, let me shorten it just a little bit. Okay, I just took off the 3-inch extension, and I'm going to try to see if I can get leverage without the 3-inch extension. Let's see. Okay, it's on there, so let's see. It's not getting me in leverage, man. Let's see. Thought I had it. Oh, now I gotta take it off because I broke it. Damn it. Oh, it's gotta come off now because I broke it. Okay. Let's see, gotta loosen it. Yep, I got it, but it broke. But I got it. Okay. Okay, DIYers, I broke it. Let me see. Hopefully. Yeah, it broke when I put it on there. So I'm just gonna tighten it with my, pretty sure you can see it. I'm just gonna tighten it with my hand on the new one. Let me show you the new one with the part number. Okay, here's the new one. Part number right here. This is the part number for the new coolant fan sensor. I'm gonna take it out. So this is the new one. I broke the old one getting it out. So I'm just gonna screw this one in because I can't afford to break this. Okay? Once again, let me show you. This is the old one that I broke, and it looks pretty old too. So it's probably good that I'm replacing it because it looks pretty old. See there? Yeah. Alrighty, let's continue. Okay, this is the old one. It broke when I was taking it off. So it looks pretty old too. So yeah, it needed to be replaced. Okay, that's the old one. Here's the new one with the part number. This is the new one, the new radiator coolant sensor. This is the new one with the part number. Make sure I get it up in there. Okay, and here it is. This is the new one. So one piece. I'm going to screw it in. I'm not going to leverage it. I was looking at my video. It didn't come out too good. It was a little dark from up top. So it's not going to be the best video, but hey, I'm going to load it anyway. But I'm going to put the new one on, okay, from the bottom. Okay, I switched my cell phone to a smaller tripod. So it's pretty much, where is it? It's right here. So I'm just going to screw it in. Let me see. Yeah, it's right here. So there it goes. I'm going to screw it in, and then I'm going to use my 24 millimeter just to make sure it gets tightened. So yeah, let's see. I think that should be good. Okay, let me get my extension to tighten it a little bit more. Okay, I just want to go behind the frame here. I got a 5-inch extension here. Go behind the frame and just make sure it's, I'm just going to twist it just a little bit. Okay, that should be perfect. Okay, let me adjust it. Okay, that should be perfect. I don't want it too tight. Perfect. Just what I wanted. Just enough torque. Perfect. Cool. Alright, that's what I wanted. Now I'll put the tab back on, and we are good to go. Bingo. Alright, it's a new radiator coolant sensor, so we're good.